Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get or find the CapCut templates from TikTok. So first, you just need to open the TikTok apps on your phone and then click on the search icon at the top, this icon right here. And then on the search column, just type in CapCut template trending, for example. Then click on enter, and in here you can see there are lots of templates that you can select and use. For example, I want to use this template, so there will be the option to try this template. Click on this button and TikTok will direct you to this page. Click on the use template in CapCut and you'll be directed to the CapCut apps on your phone. After that, just click on the use template and add the video to fill in the template. For example, okay, I want to add this videos right here. Click on preview, and just like that, your video will be created. And you can just click on export to save the templates here with your video. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.